Alright, so let's talk about strength in playing the violin. So, when you talk about strength kasi in musical terms or in playing any type of musical instrument for that matter, we don't talk about conventional strength or raw power, no? We don't talk about your ability to lift heavy or something like that or to grip so tightly, 'di ba? Kasi ganun yung perception natin ng strength. But what we actually need is what we call functional strength, no? Strength in ways that we can use our body to control our instruments. So, ano ba yung mga strengths na to? No? So, it might not look like you're being strong kasi hindi na natin kailangan yung sobrang higpit, di ba? We don't lift heavy stuff. But strength in that, for example, itong fingers ko, you can control exactly where it needs to go. So, ano ba to? Pinapakita ko for bowing, di ba? Yung finger dexterity. The same way here. Di ba? This is strength because I can keep that range of motion and stay on one spot kung kailangan ko. So, you need that when you're pressing, di ba? Pag nagpe-press tayo. Also, strength in being able to move your arms slowly when it comes to bowing. That's why a lot of people, no, nahihirapan sila mag-staccato because ang alam lang ng arms nila or ng range of motion of their arms is here and here. Yung dulot-dulo lang, no. They don't control exactly where they want to stop, no. So, for example, if we do staccatos, for example, 8 notes, let's say 8 notes, yung buka ng ng elbows natin ganito lang. Pa 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 pa, 'di ba? So we stop. We can stop anywhere on that range of motion. So that is strength. Hindi man natin siya mapapakita as raw power na, oh, kaya malakas yung tunog niya. No, but these small things contribute to the quality of sound na lumalabas. The ability to control articulation. The ability to use your bow slowly na hindi ka nauubusan pero tumutunog pa rin siya. Those things come in because again, strength on the instrument equals control. You're able to move your fingers, 'di ba? For vibrato, for example, stable yung kamay mo, stable, and that shows strength kasi hindi siya basta-basta na wawala sa position. So when you do a vibrato, maganda yung lumalabas, hindi sobrang laki ng fluctuations kasi stable siya dun sa pwesto niya. So, ito mga bagay na to, you can only reach if you practice, 'di ba? So, you develop the strength on these by doing bow exercises, by practicing proper bowing techniques, no? You don't need to lift heavy to be able to do it, but I would suggest you understanding your body more. That could also help, no? Lifting free weights, ganyan, mga kettlebell, mga dumbbells, no? You don't need to lift heavy, but you have to have that control. Kasi, pag nagbo-bow tayo, the bow, whether you have a heavy or a light bow, is still too light to register in our brains na, oh, may buhat tayo mabigat. Kasi yun yung kailangan. Kailangan ma-activate natin yung muscles natin. We have to send a signal to our fingers, to our hands, to our arms, to our, even our back and shoulders, yung mga muscles natin dyan. You have to send them signals para mag-activate sila, di ba? So, it might sound na parang, uy, sobrang ano naman nito, technical or parang athletic. Pero that's the reality of it, di ba? Lagi natin sinasabi, musicians are athletes who use smaller muscles because we need fine motor skills, no? Again, ito, no, a lot of people really can't do that, di ba? Yung malambot na fingers that you can keep here, di ba? Yung iba ganito, pag pinagawa ko to, itong exercise na to, usually ganito nangyayari. Kasi they don't have the control in order to stay in this position, in this position, in this position. And it's the same thing yung mga nakikita natin, yung mga nagka-calisthenics na nakasabit sila tapos sumaangat na ganun yung katawan, 'di ba? So that is also strength. That is not raw power in its definition, but it shows that you have control over your body and you understand those which part needs to move, which part needs to stay still. And yun yung makakatulong sa inyo in order to perform better, to create a better sound overall with your instrument, and actually enjoy, no? Maririnig nyo yung difference if you strengthen your body. And especially those parts na nabanggit natin, fingers, even your neck, no? Making sure that it's always level, your shoulders are always relaxed, those types of things. Siguro pwede natin gawa ng separate videos on each part of the body if you want. So comment lang kayo kung gusto nyo matutunan yan. And also, just keep on practicing. If you have any other questions, just keep commenting down below, and I'll see you on the next one. Good luck sa inyo.